Me. Homo sapiens. The geological history of the Earth can be divided into 4 parts. First is the Hadean era, then the Archean era, followed by the Proterozoic era, and, finally, the Phanerozoic era. This video will only discuss the Hadean and Archean eras. The Hadean era, which began with the formation of the Earth about 4.5 billion years ago, had no life on Earth. During this time, the Earth was very hot, and life-giving oxygen was very scarce. The atmosphere was very turbulent, and the moon was much closer. The sun was less bright than it is today. The Hadean era ended about 4 billion years ago with the beginning of the Archean era. The Archean era and ancient stromatolites. The Archean era spans from about 4.0 billion years ago to 2.5 billion years ago. At the beginning of the Archean era, Earth's temperature began to decrease, and conditions suitable for life began to form, leading to the development of life on Earth. The oldest known rocky caves are from this period. During the Archean, most of Earth's surface was submerged in water, with deeper oceans compared to today's time. The atmosphere had an abundance of methane and very little oxygen. Early life on Earth began to flourish during the Archean era. Stromatolites, known as microbial mats, were among the first ancient organisms. These simple prokaryotic organisms, which included archaea and bacteria, were dominant during this era. About 3.7 billion years ago, Earth was a vastly different and tumultuous place, with the planet's surface continuously bombarded by meteoroids and comets, bringing additional material and possibly organic compounds. Volcanic activity was intense, releasing gases and heat, creating a harsh, high-temperature climate. In this chaotic environment, liquid water began to accumulate, forming the first oceans and hydrothermal vents, which provided unique conditions for the emergence of life. This was discussed in the previous section, where biological molecules formed, eventually leading to the development of simple life forms, possibly single-celled organisms like bacteria. Stromatolites. Ancient evidence of life in Australia. In the Pilbara region of Western Australia, some of the oldest stromatolite reefs have been discovered, dating back around 3.5 billion years. These stromatolites are layered, sedimentary structures created by the activities of microorganisms, particularly cyanobacteria. These ancient stromatolites are among the earliest evidence of life on Earth, indicating the presence of these ancient microbial communities in shallow marine environments. These early microbial mats performed photosynthesis, which gradually began to alter Earth's atmosphere by producing oxygen. The early microbial stromatolites in the Pilbara region help us understand the conditions, life processes, and atmosphere that supported ancient ecosystems on early Earth. Modern stromatolites. Even today, modern stromatolites can still be found in places like Shark Bay in Western Australia. These living counterparts of ancient structures are a subject of research for scientists, providing insights into early life forms and the conditions that existed at that time. Studying the ecosystems of modern stromatolites offers a fascinating glimpse into the origins of life, showing how stromatolites and pioneering microbial communities played a crucial role in shaping the biological and geological history of our planet. These ancient structures are a testament to life's resilience and adaptability, offering a direct link to our planet's early past. Bacteria and Archaea. Both bacteria and archaea are groups of prokaryotic microorganisms, but they differ from each other in many ways. Archaea. Archaea have cell walls made of different types of polymers, such as pseudopeptidoglycan or polysaccharides. They have unique membrane lipids with ether linkages between glycerol and isoprene chains, making their membranes more stable under extreme conditions, such as very hot water, which aids in their survival. Archaea are often found in extreme environments like hot springs, salt lakes, and anaerobic environments. They are known as extremophiles, although they can also be found in more moderate environments. They can perform methanogenesis or methane production, which bacteria cannot. No known archaea cause disease in humans or other organisms. Bacteria. In simple terms, bacteria have a cell wall made of peptidoglycan, which is composed of sugars and amino acids. They have a phospholipid bilayer where fatty acids are linked to glycerol through ester linkages. Bacteria can perform photosynthesis, nitrogen fixation, and respiration. They are found in various environments, including soil, water, and within the bodies of other organisms. Bacteria can be both pathogenic and beneficial. Many bacterial species are known to cause diseases in humans, animals, and plants. Our bodies also contain numerous bacteria, most of which are beneficial. Only about 1% of bacteria are harmful to humans.